Why is one stock making the entire market nervous? Because right now, Nvidia's stock is priced like the whole AI industry depends on it. Data center revenue is exploding. Supply is still short. Cloud giants are buying GPUs like they're afraid someone will turn off electricity tomorrow. But here's the part people don't think about. When demand is this intense, the risk also becomes intense. When the whole world relies on one company to feed the AI boom, even a small slowdown, a delay, or a dip in orders can hit the stock harder than anyone expects. Nvidia is getting all the upside of the AI revolution, but it's also carrying all the pressure. This is why the stock moves the way it does. It's not just business anymore. It's expectation, hype, dependence, and fear all baked into one price. When the AI market expands, every company benefits a little. But Nvidia benefits like it owns the whole staircase, while everyone else is still looking for the elevator button. Their chips power almost every AI model, every data center upgrade, every cloud expansion, everything. So when AI demand jumps 10%, Nvidia doesn't rise 10%. It jumps way more because it's the one selling the shovels in the AI gold rush. But here's the twist that people forget. Because Nvidia is priced like a superstar, the stock already assumes huge growth. Its valuation is sitting way above what normal companies get. Investors are paying today for money Nvidia is expected to make years from now. That's how big the expectations are. So yes, if the AI boom grows, Nvidia flies. But the reason it flies faster is simple. The stock price already has this supercharged future baked in. The market believes Nvidia will stay the king of AI for a long time. And when people believe something that strongly, the stock moves extra hard in that direction. The valuation is basically the scoreboard of everyone's faith in Nvidia. When that faith gets stronger, the stock shoots up faster than the actual business. But if that faith shakes even a little, well, the same valuation becomes a trap. Gaming and automotive are basically pocket money for Nvidia. The real heavyweight is data centers. Every AI model, every LLM upgrade, every cloud company, every startup with more ambition than cash, they all need insane computing power. And all that traffic passes through one gate, Nvidia's GPU. This single segment is so huge that it can pull the entire stock up or drag it down by itself. When data center revenue flies, Nvidia looks unstoppable. When it slows even a tiny bit, the whole stock feels it immediately. Nvidia sits right in the choke point of the AI money flow. That's why this segment decides everything. Everyone knows Nvidia is expensive, but investors keep buying it like they're trying to prove a point. Why? Because they're not paying for fair price. They're paying for speed, dominance, and certainty in a world where most companies move like snails in mud. Investors love Nvidia for one simple psychological reason. They believe it's the one company where the future already feels guaranteed. People don't buy the stock just to invest. They buy it to feel safe in the AI race. They buy it to feel early in something huge. They buy it because every big player depends on Nvidia, and that dependency looks like power. The biggest risk for Nvidia isn't competitors, it's government rule. The US limits chip sales to China, one of its largest AI customers, so any restriction can directly slow revenue. Think of it like a faucet. Tighten it, money slows. Open it, money floods in. One policy change can move the stock up or down overnight, which is why right now, geopolitics matters more than competition for Nvidia. If you are thinking about Nvidia, remember you are not just buying a stock. You are betting on the future of AI and how the world regulates it. Growth can be huge, but one government decision or AI slowdown can wipe gains overnight. Only invest if you can handle the highs and survive the shocks. This is not for the faint-hearted.